Ilong. Kilay!
Turuan ko silang
Sunod, kotse ng katretan.
yun. Natapos na pa namin kumain. Busog na busog, may pa-sharon pa. Yan yung sharon namin sa yung sharon po.
Ang sarap po namin.
Lugar ba ano yan? Ulang. Ayun mga kalingap, silang gabi nag-drive. Siyempre daan-daan lang. Ito lang po kami sa may bagas basura pa sa ating kumadaan.
Every time I have to ask you if you might have changed your mind. And baby, does it make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's to someday.
Nabigyan naman yung pero siyempre
Salamat po.
I'm kinda over all the talk. This independence never worked for me.
Nakausap naman ako. Nakausap
Tapos
namin.
ang itsura ni Pito.
There's nothing
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, like, and share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking susunod na i-upload. Bye-bye!